Welcome to TikTok Product Preview, your quarterly look at the latest updates to TikTok ads across North America. I'm Erica Coven, and I'm on the business marketing team here at TikTok. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 pillars to help your brand stand out in a way that people won't just scroll past, but instead they will watch it, love it, and want it. First up, fuel it. On TikTok, creative is the fuel you need to ensure your campaigns have stronger performance. And we know that one perfect asset isn't going to cut it on the For You feed. So we created TikTok Symphony, which is our suite of generative AI solutions. TikTok Symphony was designed to help advertisers create easier and faster. And in this quarter, we have 2 new Symphony updates. The first one is Symphony Agent, our brand new AI-powered creative partner. You can find it as a prompt box inside Symphony Creative Studio. The experience is very similar to how you might interact with other AI chat agents. With just a few prompts, you can turn brand and campaign details into a cohesive brief and ultimately a TikTok-ready ad. And what's really cool is that Symphony Agent is trained with TikTok intelligence. That first-party data makes it so that the responses you get are already informed on TikTok trends, top-performing ad insights, and more. This is a game changer, and it's going to allow you to create content that's more relevant, timely, and TikTok first. The second update is Symphony Avatar. Advertisers can now create more expressive, on-brand UGC-style content that narrates, demos, and showcases products with less production lift. Both of these Symphony updates were designed to make sure that your campaigns have the creative fuel they need to have strong performance on TikTok. Next, watch it. Once you have the creative, the next thing we need to focus on is where should it show up and how quickly can it capture attention. We have a couple of ad solutions built to intentionally help brands get attention, and today I'm going to focus on 3 of them. The first one is TopView. Have you ever opened the TikTok app and the first video you saw was an ad? Well, that is what TopView is, the very first video that is shown to users before they start their session. It's one of our more premium placements in our suite of ad solutions. TopView has some new updates. Now advertisers can book, manage, and launch TopView campaigns directly within Ads Manager across 23 markets, versus previously needing to work with a sales rep to execute any campaigns. TopView is also getting more targeted. With TopView geo-exclusion, you can now exclude up to 40% of specific subregions, like states, cities, and designated market areas in the US and in cities in Canada. This is going to allow you to be way more precise and ensure your impressions are focused on the areas that will bring the most impact on your business. Lastly, we now offer TopView traffic optimization, which gives you the ability to direct people who watch your TopView ad to your website or TikTok shop. This was created to help boost those click-through rates while also maintaining the guaranteed reach. So now that we know that TopView is the first video people see when they open the app, TopFeed is the first ad that people see after they start scrolling. We have bundled these 2 solutions to create TopReach Max Reach. This is going to give you maximum unique reach on TikTok. It's a great solution for tentpole moments, major launches, and broad awareness campaigns. The last solution I want to talk about today is Pulse Suite. The special thing about Pulse is that it places your content next to the top trending content on the platform. So when a bunch of people are tuned in on a piece of content, your ad immediately follows it. We launched Pulse Custom Lineups, and now it's more widely available in Canada. As a reminder, custom lineups allow your ads to be placed next to specific audiences, like mothers, passion points like crocheting or basketball, and tentpole moments like Valentine's Day. And similar to TopView, we are allowing you to book, manage, and launch your custom lineups directly in Ads Manager versus previously having to execute the campaign with a TikTok sales rep. This is a beta feature, but the general audience launch is not far away. We also introduced another Pulse offering earlier this year, Pulse Mentions, which allows your brand to be placed next to verified conversations that mention your brand, your category, and even your competitors. So if there's a trending review video about your brand, your ad can show up literally right after. This is now entering general audience in the US and Canada. So to recap, we discussed updates to TopView, TopReach, and Pulse, and how they're becoming more accessible and effective at helping your brand show up where the premium attention is, and turn what people watch on TikTok into better performance for your brand. Next is automate it. There's 3 important advancements in automation that we're launching that's going to help make campaign management easier and more effective for advertisers. First, let's talk about a really exciting update for lead generation campaigns. Now, automation is solving a very common problem for advertisers, which is keeping campaigns fueled with creative that is fresh and relevant to the TikTok feed. So we launched a new feature called Auto Selection. This will automatically source, test, and scale top-performing creative, from brand-supplied assets to creator content to AI-generated content, making sure the campaign has the best effective creative fuel it needs to make performance stronger. Lastly, search ads are getting smarter. We call it Smart Plus Search. And now we're able to help automate keywords, creative selection, and reporting. All right, we have 2 more pillars left, and next we're going to optimize it. For commerce advertisers, growth goes beyond driving sales. It's also about understanding what works, what it costs, and how to scale with more confidence. First, let's look at updates for commerce clients using Smart Plus catalog ads to drive sales off TikTok. To improve performance for the sales objective, creative volume matters. The more product-forward creative that advertisers can bring into their catalog, the more signals campaigns have to learn from and optimize towards. With catalog video and image autocrawl, TikTok can automatically pull eligible product images and videos from an advertiser's own landing page, expanding your catalog creative supply without manual uploads. And with creative upgrades, it's even easier to have a creative pool ready to activate. Advertisers can now discover, review, and refresh campaigns with high potential creative, whether that's TikTok trending posts, AI-generated content, or shoppable video linking. Together, these updates help commerce campaigns stay fresh with more product-forward creative, without the extra production lift. And we can't talk about optimization without having better signals. With the latest Google Analytics integration for sales campaigns, advertisers can unlock more complete signals in the tools they already trust. This helps them better understand performance and increases conversions among audiences that are ready to take action. For TikTok Shop merchants driving sales on platform, we know optimization also depends on having enough creative to fuel GMV Max. With creative excellence, merchants can diversify creative supply with low-lift shoppable carousel ads and auto-generated product videos powered by TikTok Symphony. Then, with GMV Max Pro, TikTok Shop merchants can optimize beyond ad spend. Instead of optimizing around ad spend alone, GMV Max Pro factors in more business costs, like coupons, affiliate costs, and platform commissions, giving merchants more ways to manage true campaign costs. And for merchants working with smaller budgets, Scale Up introduces a more accessible way to drive ROI goals with a 7-day optimization window and guided spend across ads and coupons. And finally, TikTok has made it easier for merchants to understand what's happening inside their GMV Max campaigns. With new campaign health reporting, merchants can see where creative stands in the automated exploration process, what's affecting their performance, and what steps to take next. Our final pillar is build it, because campaigns take a lot of building. Reports to pull, budgets to manage, campaigns to adjust, it can be a lot. That's why TikTok is introducing Agentic Hub, one place where advertisers and developers can access AI tools that help support campaign management. Inside Agentic Hub, teams can access the TikTok Ads Model Context Protocol, or MCP, ready to use TikTok official third-party skills. Let's zoom in on TikTok Ads MCP. MCP is a new infrastructure that lets advertisers and developers build new AI agents directly on top of TikTok Ads Manager. This is going to help you manage campaigns more seamlessly. Then come TikTok Ad Skills, the building blocks that give the campaign agents more specific workflow capabilities, like reporting and analytics, budget optimization, admin tasks, and more. Together, Agentic Hub, MCP, and Skills create a foundation for more personalized AI-generated campaign management that gives advertisers more support, flexibility, and control. And that's it for Q3 product updates. Let's do a quick recap. First, with Fuel It, TikTok Symphony helps advertisers keep creative fresh and campaign ready. From faster ideation with Symphony Agent to making more adaptable content with Symphony Avatar without the reshoots. Second, with Watch It, updates across TopView, TopReach, and Pulse capture premium attention with more speed, flexibility, and relevance. Third, our automated tools help advertisers automate more of the consumer journey and reduce manual lift, with new capabilities across lead generation and Smart Plus search. Fourth, Optimize It includes commerce updates across Smart Plus catalog ads and GMV Max Pro, which expand creative supply, strengthen signals, and manage the true cost of growth. And finally, our fifth pillar, Build It, where Agentic Hub gives advertisers and developers a new foundation for AI-powered campaign management. Thank you for joining us on Q3's product preview. Subscribe and follow TikTok for Business for more. See you in Q4.